Hi friends, welcome to my channel Masterclass with Tapas. Those who are new to this channel, let me tell you, this is the place for new age management skills and lifestyle tips for budding managers like you. As past few months has been undoubtedly been the toughest for all the businesses across the world, including India, due to the economic recession, and there are loss of jobs too. But today I will be talking about some of the sector which have started hiring now as per the reports available across the web. As we are living in uncertain times due to this pandemic, industry is also trying to adapt to this new trend which can be changing rapidly. Which is the trend today can't be a trend tomorrow. So we have to equip and reskill ourselves to survive in these uncertain times. But there are few sectors which are really on high. To start with, healthcare sector. It is obvious because the healthcare workers are on the forefront of this line of defense against this pandemic apart from medical practitioner. So we need trained hospital and manpower workers like sanitation, nurses, administrators. As the healthcare is being digitized, there's a lot of data to be maintained, so hospitals are requiring very good administrator who can manage those data. There are healthcare apps because now talking to a doctor is through the mobile, so we need software professionals also in the healthcare industry to manage those apps and online platforms. Many institutes are now running courses on healthcare management, which is a new field apart from the pure medical. Second, supply chain. This includes shipping and logistic workers and warehouse employees. Supply chain companies have to increase capacity as due to lockdown, e-commerce is now in full bloom as people are relying on them. Like me also, I don't go to a supermarket to buy groceries. I'm ordering through e-commerce. So there is a need of um, technical people who can manage the back end software or maybe delivering at the front end. We need logistics, supply executive, sales, and people because we are now inching towards the festive season, so the volume can be high. So there is a need of trained professionals, supervisor, production, logistic coordinator, record management technicians. Then pharmaceutical industry, the companies which are now doing research for upcoming vaccine for COVID-19, many jobs are there for many researchers who can take care of this vaccine production. Or there is a huge production of medical supplies too, like PP kit, masks, sanitizer. So we need trained professional to manufacture those. Then come the telecommunication. With most of the people are working from home and the companies are relying on VPN more than ever. So the telecom companies need skilled manpower to maintain their networks and run their data centers. So people with software will be needed to take care of the cloud, backhand, and all those maintenance service of their servers. Then digital payment companies, as now most of us using digital mode for making payments, so software people needed to build those apps, looking after the cyber security and easy accessibility of the same. Online education is the major one because education is totally online nowadays, starting from class 1 to maybe the PhD level. So we need good educators for teaching subjects across the board through online. We also need virtual trainers who can train the workforce in the offices. So there is a lot of demand for the content creators too on the online platform. Then food delivery companies, as people are still not going out, they are ordering food from the restaurant through the mobile app. So these companies also need people to deliver food. And in India, what I've heard, the most of the people gone to their villages, so there is a really shortage of the people who can deliver those foods or maybe the delivery executive. Then insurance, as the number of claims are on the high due to this pandemic, companies need more hand to process those claims. So there is a definitely need for claim processor. New policies are being sold, so there is a need for actuarials, underwriters to validate those insurance policies. As the world and India is undergoing a readjustment phase with lot of changes in a way we operate, the way we socialize and way the business responded, there is a bound to have impact on this job market scenario. But be positive, friends. So people, if you like my thoughts, then give a huge thumbs up to my channel, share it and subscribe it. Till we meet again, bye for now. Thanks.